Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the term market order and its crucial role in economics. Understanding market orders can greatly benefit your financial decisions. Let's embark on this informative journey together. Now, what exactly is a market order? You'll soon see how it is defined and its importance in trading. A market order is a cornerstone in the world of trading. It's a request by an investor to buy or sell a security immediately at the best available price. Unlike limit orders, which specify a price, market orders prioritize speed and certainty of execution. This approach is useful in fast-moving markets, where timing is crucial. By understanding market orders, you'll be better equipped to navigate financial complexities. Next, we'll delve deeper into how market orders function and their associated advantages and risks. Now that we've defined a market order, let's dive into how they work. Designed for immediate execution at the current market price, market orders are essential for investors seeking quick entry or exit. Their primary benefit is speed, making them perfect for capitalizing on sudden market moves. However, in volatile markets, this speed can be a double-edged sword, potentially resulting in less favorable prices. So when should you use a market order? They're particularly useful when execution speed is a priority, such as catching a rising stock or exiting a losing position quickly. Next, you'll see real-world examples illustrating when and how to best use market orders. Let's delve into real-world examples of market orders in action. Imagine an investor eager to buy shares of a rapidly rising stock. By placing a market order, the purchase executes immediately, capturing the upward trend. Now, consider a trader needing to sell shares quickly during a downturn. Here, a market order ensures the sale happens at the best available price, minimizing losses. These scenarios highlight the practical use of market orders, showing their importance in fast-paced trading. Stay tuned for more scenarios to deepen your understanding of market orders in diverse market conditions. In summary, market orders are fundamental in trading, offering quick execution, but with certain risks. Whether you're a student, a financial professional, or just curious about market dynamics, understanding market orders is crucial. Your support fuels our journey to bring you more valuable content. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on financial terms and economic principles. Thank you for watching.